guys, welcome to the episode of Basics by Barry. Talk about affordable fashion, footwear, and lifestyle choices. Today's episode, we back with the unboxings, man. This is going to be a little different than what you normally see from my channel. Those who follow me or subscribe know that I'm more of a Nike, Jordan, like true to the root type of guy. I do have a couple Adidas, a couple Yeezys. This is something a little unorthodox. This is not actually my pair, but I'm going to unbox it for you guys and let me know what you think about it. So let's give it a shot. See, and just so you know, it was not picked up retail. It was definitely resale aftermarket. So from Stadium Goods, shout out Stadium Goods. Of course, legit kicks here. So boom, and then let's get to the shoe box. We don't need that. Boom, Adidas Yeezy 700. Look a little backwards on y'all screen, but you get the picture here. Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas. And you're gonna see on this side, Yeezy Boost 700, 8.5. And the color way is sun, sun, and sun. The code is GZ6984. Yeezy Boost is a men's shoe, of course, and this is from Stadium Goods, so it's an aftermarket. It wasn't purchased on release date. Gets particulars, this shoe was released on January 24th for a retail of $240. Again, like I said, retail was not paid. It's definitely a resale amount, but nevertheless, it's, you know, bright and vibrant shoe. So without all this talking, let's get into it, see how the sneaker looks. So of course, we have the typical Yeezy slide box. Open them up. We have these right things here, man. Let's get the other one out for you. So you guys can get a better look at the sneaker. Boom. Alright, so boom. Of course, like I said, Stadium Goods tags, but shoe actually surprised me in person, man. I never owned a 700 personally. I've always wanted the wave runners, but the price for them right now is just outrageous. And I feel like I'm just not repaying that for a sneaker right now. Me personally, other thing I want to buy and, you know, get stuff for this channel, cameras, etc. So here we have, like I said, the Yeezy Sun 700, and the colorway is sun, sun, sun. So these are different renditions of, you know, a sun. So you got the oranges, hues here, the yellow. It's really like a wave runner with a twist, honestly. You know, like I said, it has the boost, so the comfort is gonna be there, hands down. It's a dope shoe, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be springtime. These colors, the yellow, the oranges, the teals, the blue. You have your gray laces here, yellow inside. So it's gonna be a great shoe for the spring. It's gonna pop, it's gonna go crazy with fits. I already see it coming. A lot of people are gonna have this sneaker. The sneaker is obviously long awaited for. I'm gonna put V-roll here. You can see like the prices that they're going for now in the secondary market. It is not a cheap shoe to get. If you can find your size for under $350, you're doing something. It's a good price. Those who know that the original 700s came out at a $300 price point, and now they dropped down to $240 price point. So I don't know if it's because Yeezy decided, you know, boom, 300 is a little steep for a retail sneaker. Let's do 240, or if, you know, the market just showed that people are not buying them at that 300 price point anymore. It's a very expensive sneaker to cost. So 240 is a dope price to pay. I think, would I pay 240 for it? I would. If I can get the wave runners right now for even 300, 350, I would. But right now, they're outlandish. Like I said, you seen the B-roll earlier of what these are going for. If you can get your hands on a pair and you love Adidas and you love 700s in this silhouette, I suggest you get a pair. But I think it's a dope shoe to have. The colorways work. Surprisingly, the orange, the yellow, it all works off each other. It's a little loud of a sneaker. Would I cop this pair in particular? I don't know for myself. It's a little bright with the orange and the yellow. But the wave runner rendition of it, I definitely would. But those who love colors and love pop, especially, you know, girls, I know y'all love this sneaker as well. Some guys gonna rock this. I know they're gonna kill it, you feel me? So it'd be a dope shoe to have for the spring and the summer to come. So you can get you a pair, definitely do. Like I said, this pair isn't for me, guys, so there won't be a on foot. Sorry, I apologize for that. But, you know, so I have more stuff on the way. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below for more fire content. All right, guys, peace.